Every day, companies and organizations simply assume that people read the text on their web pages. Can we challenge that? Heat maps of web pages show that the majority of visitors only read the top of pages. Check the hotspots to visualize this, the orange and red areas. And once you drop below the line, the visible area of the screen, the heat map starts to change dramatically. It quickly turns blue until by the bottom it's icy cold. The text is unread. The only text people read is today's news, or blog, or tweet, at the top of the page. So how can you effectively deliver your web content? With a web video. People love to watch web video. Watching video online is the fastest growing area of the web. Watching video is the new standard. People don't read text.